channel. Please share it with your near and dear. We are going to learn ability in the past. Ability in the past. And the second one also we are learning permission in the past. Permission in the past. Okay. Ability in the past, permission in the past. For two things also we use subject plus could plus V1. Okay, first let us learn number A, ability in the past. Ability in the past. And again I am writing here subject plus for particular ability we use subject plus was or were able to plus V1 or managed to. Plus V1. Okay, what is general ability? What is particular ability? First, okay, let us explain this one. But after writing down some examples on the board, I will explain. Okay, for general ability, number one, my grandpa was very strong. He could carry 50 kg bag. Or you can use he was able to carry 50 kg bag. One more example. Daniel was an excellent tennis player. He could beat anybody in it. Or he was able to beat anybody in it. And one more example, if I take, you can understand. We could travel 500 kilometers by my Benz car. We could travel 500 kilometers by my Benz car yesterday. Or we were able to travel 500 kilometers by my Benz car yesterday. Okay, now I will explain what all these things are. Okay, right, ability in the past. So in what way we have to express ability in the past, and in what way we have to express permission also in the past. And for these two types also, how to use could. Okay, subject plus could plus V1 is the structure. Ability in the past, subject plus could plus V1. But so there are certain rules for this one to use could. If it is a positive statement, it's not a question. It should be positive also, and it should be a statement, not a question. So if it is a positive statement, the condition is in this way. For general ability, if it is a general ability in positive statement, if it is a general ability, we use subject plus could plus V1 or subject plus was or were able to plus V1. So two things are there, was or were able to plus V1 we can use, or could plus V1 also we can use if it is general ability. I will explain now. Right, okay, general ability. For example, my grandpa was very strong. My grandpa was very strong. As he was very strong, it was general that he was able to carry 50 kgs. It's not particular ability, it was general ability for my grandpa to carry 50 kgs. So I can use in this way, my grandpa was very strong, he could carry 50 kg bag, or we can use he was able to carry 50 kg bag. So in two ways we can use if it is general ability. Daniel was an excellent tennis player. If Daniel was an excellent tennis player, it was general to beat anybody also. So that is general ability. It's not a particular case. Okay, so it was not a particular condition that he had some ability. It was general for him. So Daniel was an excellent tennis player. He could beat anybody in it, or he was able to beat anybody in it. So when it is general ability, if it is a positive statement, you see here, my grandpa was he could carry 50 kg bag is a statement, it's not a question, and it is in positive way. There is no word like not also, never also, such words are not there. So it is positive statement. As it is positive statement, and moreover it is general ability, in such conditions we can use could plus V1 or was our able to plus V1. Right, okay, as per that this is also our. Now next, we could travel 500 kilometers by Benz car yesterday. Traveling by Benz car was, you see, that was general, to travel some thousands of kilometers also by Benz car. It was general. It was not a particular ability of Benz car or particular ability of people travel by it. So it is general. That's why we could travel 500 kilometers by my Benz car yesterday. Or we can use, we were able to travel 500 kilometers by my Benz car yesterday. So, in this way, if it is general ability in the past, we can use could plus V1 or was or were able to plus V1. And now we are switching over to for particular ability. If it is a positive statement, again the same positive statement only, but if it is a particular ability, so then in what way we have to use subject plus was or were able to plus V1 only, or managed to plus V1, but we should not use could here. So, that is restricted. Okay, now I want to give some more examples for that condition. Okay, right. For this condition I want to give, and I want to clean this one as it is already known to us. Okay. Now, if it is a positive statement for particular ability, we use this structure. Now, examples I want to give you. Right. Example number 1. Mahesh was very weak, but he was able to carry 50 kg bag. Or you can use Mahesh or he managed to carry 50 kg bag. And one more example. My father learned English recently, but he was able to speak to Americans. Or you can even write in this way, he managed to speak to Americans. So, in this way we can use this structure. Okay, let us know it so clearly. For particular ability, it is not general ability. When it is particular ability, there is no chance to use could in positive statements. Mahesh was very weak, but he was able to carry 50 kg bag. His ability was particular. Mahesh was weak when we say it was not general for him to carry 50 kg bag. So, it was his particular ability. Even in such condition also, he was able to carry 50 kg bag. If it is particular ability, we have to use these two types of structures here, not could. We cannot use could here. So, that is why Mahesh was very weak, but he was able to carry 50 kg bag. Or you can use he managed to carry 50 kg bag. And in the same way, my father learnt English recently. Learning English recently means generally we expect that he couldn't speak to Americans. But here what happened, it was his particular ability, it was not general ability. Though he learnt English recently, he was able to speak to Americans. He was able to speak to Americans. We cannot say could. Or he managed to speak to Americans. So as per this one, when it is positive statement, if it is general ability, we have to use could plus V1 or was or were able to V1. If it is particular ability, we have to use was or were able to V1 or managed to plus V1.
Thank you for watching this channel. We'll meet in the next episode.